On 29 तारखेक मे महिन्याच्या there was a kidnapping of 2 minor girls happened at a one time only, and wherein one 12 years old girl and one 15 years old girl were missing, and the parents at the same time parents have come to Colvale Police Station stating that their daughter are missing, and one girl is of Hindu community, another girl is of Muslim community. So at the time both the girls were missing, so we were also taken aback, but we immediately swung in action. We registered 2 separate FIR in this case of kidnapping and under Children Act, and we have taken up the investigation. During the course of investigation, we have interrogated the family members, neighbors, friends, and it was learned and revealed that the girls are taken to Hubli. So without wasting time, a team, PI Majik and has formed that team. Somnath Majik formed that team, headed by our PSI Mandar Parab, and the staff had immediately proceeded to late night yesterday to Hubli, and the meticulous investigation was carried out, and it revealed that these girls are hidden at Kasbah Bed Police Station area, and by at the house of one Mr. Naveed Ahmed Panibhat. He is residing at Hubli, Karnataka. So we took the assistant of the inspector of the Kasbah Bed Police Station, and he was very cooperative, and we raided the said house. And after raiding the said house, we PSI Mandar has rescued both the girls in the proper and good condition before any atrocity. Looks like they were not tortured that much, and we have rescued both the girls, and we have arrested the person who has housed those minor girls in his premises. Ahmed Panibhat and Tausif Khalidar Ilas Munna.
So the accused have put the children Purijan or Catalo.
That is a part of investigation. Now we have safely rescued this girl, brought back to Goa, and we will handing over this rescued girl to the parents, and we will find out whether they were knowing each other. We will find it out. But this girl were lured to get the jewelry from the houses. So that angle we will be investigating it. Only on pretext of giving luxurious life, these girls were lured to get the gold ornaments. So far, no any complaint is given at the Colvale Police Station. Once the complaint is received, definitely we are here to take action. See, I cannot say whether I cannot comment that he is sarpanch or anything, but there is offence registered against Sunny Nanodkar under section 376 IPC, and the complaint states that Mr. Nanodkar has raped her on the pretext that he will marry her. So this was happening for last 1 year, from May 2022 to May 2023. So we are investigating this case. It is revealed that she has been taken to various places, right from Kankona to Mapsa. So our investigation team will be visiting all the places and collecting the necessary evidence so that we can make this case strong. So far, we are looking out for the accused person. We have not arrested. He is absconding.
So relationship जर 1 वर्ष पोलिसांन जर जाल्यार आता सडनली कंप्लेंट करपाची कितें रिजन येयलें?
आता anybody can lodge a complaint if it is this act is happen without her will, anybody can lodge a complaint any time, even after 5 years, 10 years also. Anybody can lodge a complaint.